that's coming in at the moment. Stunning revelations have now been made with regards to Saif Ali Khan and the stabbing case that has taken place. The actor Saif Ali Khan's house help was being held hostage. The attacker was demanding 1 crore rupees as ransom. It's been 24 hours since the attacker has been identified. He's still on the run. Investigations are now taking place. The Mumbai police is now looking into the modus operandi that was followed by the attacker. CCTV footages from inside the building and also outside the building are now being investigated by the Mumbai police. My colleague Vidya is now joining me from the Bandra police station. Vidya, we have seen it's been almost 24 hours since the horrific attack took place. From what we know at the moment, Saif Ali Khan, the surgeries have been successful. He's in the ICU at the moment. All the family members have already visited him. We also understand that the picture of the person who attacked the attacker is now captured by the police, and close to 20 teams have been formed under Mumbai police, and they are all investigating this case.
Well, a massive manhunt has been launched. Remember, it's been more than 24 hours since the entire incident, and the more time that the attacker really gets, the further time he has to get away from the vast network of CCTV footages that we have. In this particular case, the Mumbai police has taken the mobile dump of the entire, area, trying to assimilate if the accused had a phone which would have been used in those many hours, and all those. Apart from this case, the CCTV footages is also being looked through. There are various teams that are looking through the CCTV footages. So all the technical help is being given to the people on the ground, so that the entire manhunt that has been launched is successful, and the accused is booked and brought to the Bandra police station. But at the moment, no success with Mumbai police as yet. They do have a clue as to who the person is with the CCTV footage grab that they have managed. But, the accused, whether they are able to grab him, they are able to get him, that's another question that's not yet really answered by Mumbai police.
But if you can also tell us, what does the FIR say, and what are the angles that the police at the moment is looking at? From what we understand, robbery is the first motive that the police is looking at.
Well, the Mumbai police certainly is looking at various aspects of this entire case. The fact remains that the maid who had seen the accused, they are the ones who are they have confirmed that yes, that person seen in the CCTV grab is the accused who had attacked and asked for about 1 crore rupees while holding the children ransom. But then they immediately, have launched the entire manhunt. They are looking for the accused. On the ground, details from sources is also being found out in case anyone knows about him. And that's one of the reasons why this CCTV grab has actually been released, to seek help from the people in general. In case anyone knows about him, they can contact Mumbai police, Bandra police in specific, and tell. So obviously, from every aspect, Mumbai police is trying their best to make sure that the accused is brought in.
Right. Thank you, Vidya, for giving us those details. At the moment, there are crucial pieces of information that have now come to the fore with regards to the investigation. First of all, it was an intruder who was already inside the house at about 11 p.m. That's the first news that has come in. The house help of Saif Ali Khan, the one who looks after his younger son, Jay, was the one who was being held hostage. And the attacker was asking close to 1 crore rupees as ransom. And after that, the scuffle broke out between Saif Ali Khan and the intruder, after which Saif Ali Khan was stabbed 6 times.